Erik Petersen explains the reasons for choosing Miltech presses.
Det er så til vores elektronikskrot, at vi er begyndt at presse noget af det sammen. Vi har jo en hel masse strømforsyninger, som vi skal skille af på grund af, at der sætter nogle kondensatorer ind i.
At Odense Renovations Association, we decided on a Miltech press for our electronic waste, which we started to press together. We have a huge amount of power supplies, which have to be dismantled because of the condensers inside. It was a big job having to sit there and manually dismantle these condensers before we realized that they could be pressed together without damaging the parts which we could recycle. It also lives up to our safety demands, so none of our employees have their fingers caught or splinters in their eyes, which was happening before. In the old days we used a hammer to break up some of the parts, but today safety comes first. Since we received a small press, we've spoken to Miltech regarding a larger model which can press speakers and printers and whatever else comes on the market at this time.